Can a kid make restaurant style white sauce pasta with zero help? Yes, with the help of AI cooking machine. All the ingredients are kept ready. We'll go step by step. The first step is to put garlic and chili. Now I'll start sorting aromatic. Now cutting is done. We'll go to the next step. Red bell. I'm going to put the red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. They have shown here we have to cut red bell pepper 4 pieces, so we have cut it into big pieces. Let me start cutting the bell pepper. I have put the oil. Let me start sorting the aromatics. Sorting is done. Next I'm going to put sweet corn. And this is Trethra Pak milk. I'll put everything. I'll start cooking the base. We are using macaroni pasta, which is 100% suji and no maida. And look over here, there is added sugar 0%. We should put now pasta, water, butter and cream. This is butter. Now we have to put cheese because we don't have cream. Now we should put these ingredients. This is black pepper. This is water. And this is corn flour. Look, we have listed the things there. Let me start cooking pasta. Look how the pasta is. It's made by a cooking machine. Let me taste it. So awesome.